Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a look at a scratch and dent Oliver 4265C 12-inch helical head joiner. This does have the HCX helical head. There's no damage to your top or your cast. If you look at the pictures, you're going to see the front of the crate is pushed in. And basically, when the crate got pushed in, there were 1x1 supporting the front luan, and those 1x1s just pushed in here. And as you can tell, there's a crease here. So right here. But again, the base is fine. And if we come over here, again, that 1x1 came in and pushed in, and it put a crease right here. Just a little paint missing right at the top, and for some reason there's just a BB sized dent right here, but that is really, really small. That is the only damage to the machine. This is the 5 horsepower 230 volt 3-phase version of this joiner. The guard is right here. You do have your accessories. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.